So you heard when you join Team Elite that you actually get access to a full functioning marketing system that's going to do all the selling and telling for you for TRVL, and you wanted to see what it was all about. Let me show you. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, 6-7-figure earner, top figure earner in multiple companies, including this one. And look, I'm going to show you what you have when you join with Team Elite. All right, so look, let me go ahead without further ado and show you, because look, when you join with Team Elite, you get access to our Team Elite marketing system. So let me show you what that's all about. So right here, you can see that we have already done everything that you need to succeed as far as when it comes to travel, which is the real vacation lifestyle. And what I mean by that is, look, man, this page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. So when you first come in, as you can see, it says, get paid to travel like a boss. And then at the top, we got a video.
Now this is exciting. A brand.
Now this was a brand reveal video that was done, and we attended in Atlanta, Georgia, where they did the actual brand reveal, the name TRVL, and as you can see, everything was done top notch, high class, from the way our branding is done to the way our actual site looks in the end, right? You can see that everything was done at a high level. So that's what the customer's going to see at the beginning, at the top. Then right here, if they actually join just from that alone, they say, hey, man, you know what? I've seen enough. Then they can go ahead and get access and hit the get access right there, take them right to where they get started, lock in a spot. As of right now, we're locking the spots for 49. Come January 3rd, we'll go live. So if you're looking at this video after January 3rd, then it'll be taking you someplace else. But as of right now, it's taking you right here. So you click here to go live, and boom, they can get started. Okay, right? No friction. Now, some people are gonna say, "Hey, I need to know more though. I need to, I don't want to just get started with something without knowing what I'm getting into." No problem, got you covered. We know it's people like that love to do their due diligence. So right here it says watch corporate overview. So you hit that. Hey, how you doing? Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, 6-figure earner, top of the multiple companies. Okay, and then we got the corporate overview, okay? And then everything that the corporate overview is going to teach you, everything about this business, even going to let you see the booking portal and how much you can save. Look at that. This person right here, you saved over $533, but look right here, it saved over $1,700. How cool is that? So you're going to get access to that. You'll be able to get a full walkthrough. They'll see exactly what this is all about and what we have to offer. Then you're going to also see right here, if that wasn't enough for them, it's going to say a corporate office walkthrough. Why? Because we want them to know that we're not sitting here just with some virtual office, nothing wrong with anybody that have to go that route, but we didn't go that route. Again, we ain't going with Walmart. We want this to look like Neiman Marcus. So when you come here, I've already done a nice walkthrough for you. So we don't do like we always. So we did a corporate walkthrough where we actually can see exactly what the company looks like, and look how professional that looks. Look at that backdrop, right? Look at that. Like that you're dealing with excellence just from that alone. And then we do a full walkthrough. We go through the back office. You can see the logo on the wall here. We actually go to Spencer Iverson, one of the owners. Look at his office. Look how clean that looks. He had things flown in from other countries. Just that desk alone was flown in. But we'll get into that. Look at that old school record player. So they'll get access to that, and they'll get to see that, right? Then over here, this is the introduction video of TRL, and that's going to be replaced after we get out of this pre-launch with this mansion party video, okay? So this will be actually this video, the promo video that can see.
Hey guys, this is Spencer Iverson, CEO of TRVL Travel, the real vacation lifestyle.
And what that's doing is it's basically showcasing what they can come to expect by getting involved with it. Because that was actually a trip that we actually took already. So we hit the ground running. That corporate had put together for us and had some leaders come down and then gave us a nice experience that was just top notch, one of a kind. Then down here it says, so what do you get with TRVL? Well, you're going to get everything, okay? What do you mean by everything? Everything? Everything, okay? That you need to explain this business. So one thing that they did is they broke down every single service, okay? And they put it into a short video. So you can see one of the things we get is travel VIP airport lounge. It's a video talking about it. We get the best prices. We get a video showing you how. Luxury travel market, we have that. Private MetaJet service, that's explained. Complimentary flight insurance. That's explained. VIP concierge. okay, to book all your travel for you. That's explained as well. Then, we have weekly webinars that we do daily. Okay. So again, you don't want to be digging up links for your prospects and, oh, did you got the link from yesterday's webinar? Was it recorded? You know what? Yes, it's always recorded. You can actually watch the one from the past and you can watch the ones to the present. So to take out any friction of, having to dig up links to webinars, to having to look for yesterday's presentation, we got the old presentation as well as the new presentation. When you hit a 10 live webinar, you get instant access and you'll get access to both. Right here it shows that it's only $49 to start right now. The countdown is over. Used to be a countdown clock and now you can see the countdown has hit 0. It says pre-launch is now open. They can click here to join again. So it'll take them back to that join page. It says first come, first serve. So lock your spot. And it says, watch how to place your team, because sometimes we don't know how to place our team. We don't know how to navigate through the back office. We don't know the proper way to layer things so that you end up in the matrix the right way. So that's what this video is going to show you. Then below that, we got our Telegram group. You got your personal phone number, if you want to put it. And then you got your join our Facebook group, our Instagram group, and our YouTube channel, all in one place. So how cool is this, guys? You got everything that you need to succeed and properly promote TRVL, the real vacation lifestyle, to your prospects and not have to say a word. Just share this page and they got it. So now you might ask yourself, what do I got to do to get this page? Well, one, if you're on my Now Site team, you actually already have this page for free. Go into your team section. You should be in the Now Site Elite team. Go in the team section and you'll see it right there, already waiting for you in your back office. And all you have to do is just obviously change my information with your information right here, which says get access. And then probably change the bottom phone number, of course, from my phone number to yours. And that's pretty much it. And you're good and ready to go. Now, if you are not in Now Site right now, okay, you can do one or two things. You can join Now Site for just $47 a month and get access to this, and as well as over 100, not even 100, unlimited marketing pages, funnels, websites, capture pages, email autoresponders, so much, so forth and so on. So you'll get access to that. Or come with 3 sales, come with 3 people, come with 3 prospects. You got 3 on your team ready to go, and you will get this page for free. That's right, you heard it right, for free. You got 3 or more, boom, I'm going to give you this page for free so that way you can market your business effectively. Because that lets me know that you are a go-getter. You're doing what it takes to succeed within your business. So I'm going to do what it takes to help you get to your goals. All right? All right, guys. So that's what I got for you today. If you're ready to join TRVL, the real vacation lifestyle, also pronounced as travel, then you can do so by hitting the link below. Hit trvlelite.now.site. You see that link? All right, and we can get you going. Or, hey, you got questions, I got answers. Call me, 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions that you may have. All right, if you haven't already done so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos as well. And if you're interested in knowing everything else I got going on, because I'm a top marketer in every company I got, and going on, I'm hitting it out the park. So if you want to see what I got going on, maybe this doesn't resonate with you, or this resonates with you, but you want to see what else I got going on because maybe other things resonate with you as well, then look, you can hit that link above. Oh, you didn't see that QR code? That's right. Hit that QR code. Just take your phone, put it in front, scan it, and it will open up a list of all my top income opportunities, and you can go see for yourself. All right. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.